Now very easily we can lock the photos on iPhone. So first of all, I will just click the photos which one I need to hide or lock. So I will choose this one. Then I press here edit. You can check there is edit. There is three dots. So we can press this three dots on the top, and there is hide mentioned. There is hide. So I will press the hide button. Then there is asking hide photo. Yes. So I will choose the hide photo. Then it will automatically hide your photo. So no one will open unless you open by yourself by face ID or your passcode. So where you find this one hidden photos hide already, so you can scroll down the gallery, then here's you can see there is hidden. So this one now is asking the passcode. So like this you can easily you can hide. Now you want to see this photo in gallery with no hide, so you can check is unhide. So there is unhide option, then you press it will automatically go to the gallery and you can see these photos. So thank you so much for watching this video.